Celeb AFIASEC 25th, and yes, the fanfare is still going on. And we have a new prince, we have a couple of artists passing through, we have Lightman passing through, we have some celebrities passing through as well. We have DJ Flexa by my side, and we have our very own new prince who happens to be one of the students, past students, and yes, of course, passing through for the fanfare. And I'll be talking to him pretty shortly. How was life way back in school and life after school? How is it? And supporting the school for this 25th anniversary. And I'll be having him live. So keep watching Everlove TV, Everlove News, Sports, Entertainment, Politics, and what have you. Subscribe to the YouTube channel. Keep watching Everlove TV and be part of this. So Martin Rowan is my name. Pretty surely I have no prince, Manchester beat killer, who happens to be a past student of this very school. And welcome back to your alma mater.
Yes, man. Big thank you very much. You're also welcome. This is my home.
Thank you very much. All right, so you are welcoming me. Thank you very much. And you live on Everlove TV. You can still subscribe to the YouTube channel and watch the actions going on. And welcome to AFIASEC one more time.
Yeah, thank you, boss.
How was life way back in school?
Well, way back in school, I don't really go to class and stuff, but when it's about entertainment, you're going to see me there, man.
Bad boy life, yeah. Charlie, way back in school, do you do music?
Yeah, sure. I do music and dance way back.
So both the present and past students of the school know what you've been doing, and you are going to exhibit same thing on stage today.
Yeah, sure. They know about that.
They know about New Prince performing on stages and all that, and what special are you bringing to them today as they celebrate the 25th anniversary?
All right, today I just want to promise them electrify, energetic performance.
Wow. All right, thank you so much for talking to me, but we still have more things to talk about. And yes, life after school, and you see, you entertainment, you don't really go to class. When it's about entertainment, you are there. And yes, today we have some your genius who are now coming up, who also they are looking up to you in terms of music. What advice will you give to them as they're in school now?
All right, to those genius that are into music, I may say, okay, I may classify them as upcoming artists. They just need to stay focused on education, because education is the key. After school, make sure you write your lines, stick to the game plan. After school, you can go to studio and do your thing under gym, but make sure you are always in class. I don't want none of them to be like me.
Let me take you way back. You do Dutch classes and all that. And who was the teacher that always disturbed you for you not coming to class?
Oh, well, the teacher that I have don't really disturb me, because even though I was a little bit gangster, but anytime I come to class, they ask me a question, I give the accurate answer. Even though I wasn't there before, the assignment has been given. So my class teacher is always cool with me. That's a hard work, the organizer of the fanfare itself or the anniversary.
Good boy gone bad, and that is it. Anyway, so we know you of your electrifying performances. AFIASEC want to feel, and Everlove TV want to have a feel of that, your freestyle that, and let's do something, Manchester beat killer. I know you for sure.
Yes, man. Yeah, I put some rappers on the rat race. Yes, Odwala, you that be my back case. They no get you, but then the one race I'm speeding like Pusin Board. Vaba, your watch ace. I be your don dada, your godfather. Your face no, they show say you get swag.
That's right, man, my man, and that's a new prince, Manchester beat killer passing through. So keep watching Everlove TV, Everlove News for all the action. So we're catching you I'll be on the stage myself. I'll be doing justice to the microphone, and then Charlie catch you at the flip side. All right, so we're still live on Everlove TV, and I got my DJ Flexa. Join me, DJ Flexa. Join me on the MRC. Shotsman Devil.
Yo, Martin.
This nigga be bad man. Charlie, you live on Everlove TV.
Yo.
Charlie, talk to my people.
Yo, alright, so you that are watching, it's Everlove TV, and of course, talking about entertainment, music, showbiz. This is where you keep locked.
Alright, Charlie, make us ask you why you be past student of AFIASEC.
Nah, but Charlie, I love high school entertainment, you understand me? Way back, Charlie, high school was massive, mad. Charlie, the love is there. The chilling, the holding and things, you know.
The chicks like that.
Oh, Charlie, big boy school I go, but as the thing happen like that, for the do
Every boy school get in school, female school. Which boy school go? Which one be your female?
Oh, Charlie, me be a crack academy I go away, Charlie. We get hit on where we they go back.
Yo, Charlie, it's all about AFIASEC 25th, and we are here to support our brothers. And I know your artist is here to perform. He is once a student of this school, sure. New Prince. And what do you have for the people of AFIASEC or the students of AFIASEC, both past and present, and the teachers, and then authorities of the school?
Yeah, sure, Charlie. The school, every high school celebrating or any anniversary, it's a plus to the school. You understand me?
Right.
And of course, my guy, New Prince, coming to pass through. Being a former student, New Prince has achieved success through entertainment and music. And I tell you, the school has really produced great and good quality students. If you should mention names that I've met from AFIASEC, you're not going to count. And I tell you, AFIASEC, congratulations going to the school for holding the school since the history behind the school until now. If you look at the stages and the structures in the school right now, you see the school is developing. And kudos going out to the authorities, the principal, the PTA, the SMEs, and all those who are taking charge, management of the school. They are doing very well. The teachers, for that matter, the students too. Charlie, they are doing massive.
As a roles manager for New Prince, Manchester Beat Killers, we always call him. He won awards, couple of awards, the first edition of Volta Music Awards as a best performer, and then the second edition back to back. And do we say the school have an impact on him being an artist way back in school and reflecting to his career that he's doing now?
Yeah, you see, the secret is the maiden edition. New Prince came here. It was during their fanfare, and he made them know that he's going for an award, so they should just support him. And you know, love from the house or love from the home is very massive. He brought the award when he picked it up last year, and before going for the second edition of a Volta Music Award, he came here again with the award and told them that he's going for the second time. And you know, the school, the authorities promised that he's going to pick it. And I tell you, I would say he picking the second edition back to back. I would say some part is from the school, the students, and also those outside there. So Charlie, if you are there and you don't go home, you don't see the home support. So New Prince has done very well coming to acknowledge, and now that they are celebrating and they are doing an anniversary and they invited him, he said, wow, Charlie, because today we are supposed to rest, tomorrow we have an event coming up, but he said no, he has to acknowledge this great invitations. That's why we are here.
All right, thank you so much for talking to us on Everlove TV. So go subscribe on YouTube and watch Everlove TV. Sure. Charlie, DJ Flex, I'll catch you on stage. I hope you'll be on stage.
Oh yeah, I'll be behind the machine just to play for my boys.
Oh, that's what's up. That's what's up. All right, so keep watching Everlove TV. Go subscribe and on YouTube and keep watching Everlove TV. Your show is still live on Everlove TV. Subscribe to the YouTube channel, Everlove TV on YouTube, and watch our actions right there. Sports, entertainment, politics, what have you. Showbiz, we are there. So I have CEO of Soul City Pop. Yes, he's wearing Soul City Pop Reggae Festival. So they're into reggae and dancehall festival. Watch out for my man, Wise Kunkwe, CEO of Soul City Pop. Celeb, boss, welcome to Everlove TV.
Thank you.
What's up? You have a couple of shows at your pub here in Afiasec. What's up with that?
We have a lot of shows like traditional performances, a lot of, just trying to bring up talents, hidden talents, We've been organizing shows like, what?
you can just mention. That is it. So you are here to support AFIASEC at 25. AFIASEC is celebrating 25 years anniversary, and you are here to support. What are you supporting the anniversary with?
Basically, I love entertainment. So that's the most reason why I'm here. To see my friends, my colleagues perform on stage, cheer them up. You understand? That's what I love.
Nice. So you love showbiz and you're supporting entertainment. I heard you're the one supplying the sounds and all that for them.
Yeah, Soul City Pop, we deal in sound. You see, the company is New Generation Multimedia. Under New Generation Multimedia, we have live band, we have sound system, which is Vibration King Sound. So we have a lot of packages, that we give up in entertainment. We deal in entertainment.
All right, so this is Everlove TV. We know a couple of people have been watching this channel, and how can they get in touch with you for sounds, live band, and other stuff?
You can contact us. You just send us mail on wisekunkwe@gmail.com or visit our Facebook page, New Generation Multimedia, or simply call 0244 520781.
All right, so you watching, you can still subscribe, or you can still check all the numbers mentioned here, or you can still check them out on, you can still email them via wascooper@gmail.com, or just visit them, New Generation Multimedia, on Facebook, contact them, and have a feel of what they've been doing. Thank you so much, Wise, for passing through. I'll still catch you up inside there, so we do what we got to do best.
You're welcome.
All right, thank you so much. That was CEO of Salt City Pop Reggae Festival, CEO. And this, of course, I'll be having organizer of the fun fair that we are enjoying, high school fun fair at AFIASEC at 25. And Boga, what be your name?
I'm Haddock Hoso.
Haddock. Your name, your name, they be calling you. What's up, man?
I was you, my brother.
All right, so Charlie, we are celebrating AFIASEC at 25, and this is a fun fair. You know, it's a high school thing. Yeah, what do you have for our people first before we go into the conversation?
It is nice to create a memory when you come to secondary school. So this is the best time to create a memory. That's it.
All right, so nice. So AFIASEC at 25, and knowledge and discipline. The knowledge is there and the discipline. I want to lay more emphasis on the discipline aspect of it. Are the student discipline?
Our school, I can boast of when you talk about discipline, our students are so much disciplined, but the fact is you cannot have all in all. Some who are serious are seriously disciplined, and some, I can't talk so much about them, but it is displayed in so many spheres of their academic performances, because if you are not disciplined, you cannot perform in academics. And you see us go on science and math quiz, and we are doing well there. So
doing very well. All right, we talk about showbiz. This is showbiz, and we have a couple of your past students who are musicians who are making waves in Ghana, Volta region and beyond. And yes, with the likes of New Prince Brekete and what have you, Everlove TV. The owner of Everlove TV is once a product of this very school. And how are you privileged to have this kind of people as students of this school?
I always boast of being a teacher in this school. And most of the students who are my own students, I always boast of them, because many of them are making waves in so many aspects of life. Policemen, soldiers, the media, and many others. So I'm so much happy.
You are very happy. And let me just give you applaud. Shake me. Your student, one of your students, New Prince, is supposed to perform tonight, and he is performing tonight as well. He was the best performer for Volta Music Awards 2018 and 2019. Best performer, back to winning the award. How was you feeling like your student? You see your student winning award.
So awesome. I was his class teacher, the form master of their class from Form 1 till he completed school. So everything about him winning that award, I know about it from day one. And whenever I hear his name, I'm shaking hands with God.
When he won the award as the entertainment chairman or entertainment teacher on campus, how was the feeling when he was announced the best performer, and then the 2018 and 2019?
I announced him in every classroom that I go to teach, and at assembly, that we are making so much people becoming responsible people in society. So I announced his achievements at assembly, promising others that they can also do it, and I'm so much happy about it.
I believe. All right, so today we are celebrating AFIASEC 25, and he is performing tonight on and already, if you can hear the sound at the background, you watching Everlove TV, there's so much noise from the auditorium, and then he is performing tonight. What do you have for those watching, those that are past students of AFIASEC that are not here celebrating the 25 years anniversary with us, but watching this very channel? What do you have for them?
Let everybody understand that the school is, let's say, a very good source of a step towards your future. So the best thing to do is, everyone who has not heard about the 25th anniversary celebration,
okay,
they should get to know about it. And tomorrow, we expect every one of them to be here so that we cheer up the great success that the school has chalked for the whole of the 25 years.
All right, so we have the likes of Lightman, we have the likes of Brekete, who was once a student of this very school. We have Lightman, the Negavade Hitmaker, passing through. We have Salt City Pop supporting alongside Everlove TV supporting. What are we expecting tonight on campus?
Right now and tonight, I am believing that as many students who are standing outside, everyone will enter so that we create today to be the best of the memory that we can keep as far as AFIASEC 25 or 25th anniversary celebration is concerned. So I believe everyone will catch the flame of the celebration so that we move on and then make today a very good memory.
All right, thank you so very much for talking to us on Everlove TV. And before that, tomorrow is the grand finale for the celebration of the 25th anniversary. Who are you expecting? You know, we have a couple of politicians passing through. Who else are passing through?
We have our MP for the
Keta constituency.
Honorable Richard Kwashiga, and then many other lecturers from other universities, and some key role makers in the community are coming. And we are expecting our regional minister to also pass through.
Akiba Lecha.
Yes.
He's passing through.
Yes.
Ahead of Mr. Pius Haji, the Deputy Information Minister passing through. How true is that?
As at now, many of them have given their promise. Some of them have already even given their donations as to what they want to do as supporting the anniversary. So we are hopeful all of them may be present.
All right, thank you so much, Haddock, for talking to us on Everlove TV. You can still subscribe to YouTube channel Everlove TV, watch it, and all the actions here, you can still watch all the actions here.
Thank you.
Thank you very much, Mr. Zadok. So you're still live on Everlove TV. Martin Ron is my name. Keep watching Everlove TV. Yo, we're still live on Everlove TV, and I got one of the past students of AFIASEC, Anglo Afianingba Senior High School, in the person of Brekete, making waves in the Volta music industry and Ghana music industry as a whole. Welcome, Brekete. What be the name Brekete?
Brekete simply means strong man.
So what the Brekete be Ewe or it be Dangbani?
If you go to Dagomba language, it be Brekete. So where did they brand down like that? It be Dagomba language, it means strong man.
Strong man. So my name is Strongman Brekete. Alright, so
I know they use the Brekete again.
So which name do they use?
Lesson.
Lesson.
Yeah, lesson.
Alright, so we are coming to learn a lesson right here on Everlove TV. Alright, welcome to AFIASEC one more time.
I do.
You do everything. Alright, so he is one of the past students of Afianingba, Anglo Afianingba Senior High School, and we are celebrating 25th anniversary on campus, and the fun fair is still going on, and this is a high school fun fair, and we have Brekete, but lesson, formerly known as Brekete, but now lesson. Yes. So the fun fair is still going. He is performing tonight at the fun fair. Alright, tell me, how was life way back in school?
School time now, wahala.
Big wahala, eh?
But now you show me the lesson where we want to use now.
So you people, you still people that might guide and shit up for a hostel and things?
Then to the day inside way, then call on school.
So you two still people that might guide and shit up?
If I don't do that, I no can school be that.
Nice one, timeless. All right, Charlie, you are now one of the best artists in the Volta region that we hail in terms of music or Ghana or Volta region music industry. That was life after school.
No. I'm still on.
You're still?
I'm the rap king of Volta.
Rap king of Volta. We know, we see people rating themselves as the best rappers in the Volta region, best performance in the Volta region. Best performer 2018-2019 was from this very school, AFIASEC, and we are celebrating 25th anniversary right here. All right, Charlie, what you got? What you get for your people for here? Charlie, make them know.
Massive things tonight. Massive things. Things they fail to have a look at. You see things they never see before. That's why I brand it. And
so, were you artists way back in school?
Is that?
Were you an artist way back in school?
Yeah, I'm the one who defend this school for 3 good years. I go battles, nobody ever overcome me before. Yeah.
And so, which school did you won as in terms of performances and all that?
Abosco, Kitasco, Busco, and Tech school.
You killed them all?
Oh, small. Don't be small.
Charlie, make a first song rap like that. 1, 2, let's go. Bah.
Open up a new Kasahari, not the video Liana Vango. Yes, Afiangba Matogola. Make a follow your beat.
Let's go.
Let's go. Sir, Nako Nama Yoma, Maka Yoga Nala, Vita to Hadi Dingo, Boom, Babalavi Mama Walla Suku, Olam La Chila Poma, Yama head to toe, what the camera ready Yabanama Lanya Basuku, Mawa rap, Nejukana for Anya boss, Namagre, Nama Segoma, check the record, Achi Glen Chila Sukua.
Nice one, Chale. Then get record for the school war. Chale, academic, we sport there. The school war too, we get records for there. Chale, what are the schools? What are they expecting tonight?
They are expecting something big because if I am able to defend this school way back 2010 to 2013, and I'm here to perform, why won't I do something? Why won't I do something massive?
So which year you complete?
2013.
2013. 2013, make I go way back when I complete school self. Me I forget the time I complete school self. Nice one, Brekete for you. So Charlie, our expectation tonight. I'll be on the stage. I'll be the one be introducing you. What are we expecting tonight?
Massive rap.
Massive rap.
Today I'm the real rap king of Volta tonight.
Thank you so much. Do you believe in Ghana Volta Music Awards?
That is why I am saying I'm the Volta king. Meaning, I believe the Volta movement.
You believe the Volta movement. So you believe the lives of Robert Hood, the lives of Agbashi, the lives of Kenny Eyes, the lives of Jaffinger, the lives of Hector, the lives of Kanosi, the Mommy, and what have you? Do you believe in them?
Oh, I believe in them because they are my mates in the industry. For now, you see, music is the real definition of time. When they say life is time, music is something that we define that way. So when today you are hearing of Agbashi, Kenny Eyes, or anybody, and you don't hear of Brekete, Brekete is down, preparing himself for something. So it's time. So why won't I be okay with my colleagues, them, my movement?
Tell you watching out there, let's believe in Brekete. He is the new sensation of rap in the Volta region. Keep on the lookout for Brekete. Thank you so much. Keep watching Everlove TV. We're still live at AFIASEC at 25. Keep watching. Subscribe to the YouTube channel. Let's keep watching. Martin on this man here.